these all woods are the remaining parts that leftovers in the forest. So you just have to collect them. You can make a table, you can make a sitting chair. Right now we are making steak because it's raining, so it's slippery.
These stairs are better now?
Yes.
I need 2 more wood pieces.
I'll get it.
Or you can give me this local
machete.
the cutting voila.
Yeah.
Is on the block left of you, sitting. Make a few wooden nails. Jojo, where's your nose? You want me to cut off your head?
Thor hammer.
Oh!
I missed.
And another one. Maybe a little longer. Jojo, you wash your head, huh?
Italiano?
ऊपर जा, ऊपर जा, नीचे जा,
Habla italiano?
ऊपर जा, ऊपर जा, चल ऊपर जा. What? 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 What are you saying?
Look at the view.
What are you saying?
Look this.
Look this. Oh yeah. Take a little up. Beating it up, drying it up, and then refining it.
The bag is like full pieces of clay. This bag don't do it. They come over the time like one huge brick. This is the initial thing what we dig out from the forest.
Okay.
But it's coming in huge, strong lumps. So we need to make it like very fine. For the usual plaster and thicker layers, you don't need to do this. Because you're like applying this much of a plaster or something. And then like few pieces like this wouldn't be a problem. But on the top surface, if you apply a very thin layer, then all lumps stay like, and it looks much nicer.
And you wouldn't get the cracks when the plaster is dried up. This mud wouldn't get the cracks in between.
Yeah. So all therefore, to prevent cracking, I mix it with some cow shit usually. Cow shit contains small fibers and it makes this stickiness, gluiness kind of a thing. And this prevents cracking. So if you see on this wall, this section left, right of this window is made with like a kind of final plaster layer. This section here in between, up top the bucket, you still see small cracks.
Yeah, there's some small cracks in
This
this.
is like the second layer.
And this is the finished. Yeah.
And there's like hardly any cracks, few small ones. So like we're gonna
Nah,
go with like the very fine plaster.
One,
and some
two more
linseed
plasters,
oil or
yes,
something
yes.
over it. And here you see this is like pretty much the first layer
Yeah,
of plaster.
drying. Yeah.
And then the drying process, you get like a lot of cracks. But these also have to do that I mixed actually too less fiber inside this mixture. So more ganja fiber, pine needles or whatever fiber material you have, and we would end with much less cracks. It's actually a bit much for the wall. But we're gonna fix it anyway.
Yeah, man. That's the best part. We have problems, so we have solution as well. So today we'll tell you how to bake a bread. You just need a basic oven that I told you, this one. You just have to put wood over here. The fire will go up. It will heat this. And here we have this bread that is going to be baked. And here we have Shirley. He's going to do the magic. So Shirley, what bread are these?
Sourdough breads. But there is one cake. So
Mhm.
it first. Let
So-
them rise a little bit and
So this is a mango banana cake. So today we're gonna have a mango banana cake. So sourdough is what it is.
sourdough is better explained by other people. I get embarrassed.
So as far as I know, sourdough is a natural kind of a mixture that help you to make the yeast. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So Shirley was a nurse, so she take care of her food. She don't eat any chemicals, no artificials. So she makes her own sourdough. I call it Salvador because I remember the Dali the moment I heard this name. What you add in the bread? What's the process?
The process is actually I got this sourdough from a friend that keeps her sourdough, feeds it and uses it every couple of days for new bread. I used some of that and mix it with some more water and atta and give it a night to rest so it kind of
Yeast it, ferment it,
yeasts up.
yeah.
And then add some more water, salt and flour. So it's a pretty easy process. It takes a little time, but I'm not sitting on the dough waiting.
And she's making a 2 bread, so easily 1 or 2 days. If she eats alone, it will be 3 days, 4 days. She can like survive on this bread. And in because in mountains we don't have any fresh breads. They have like a week back old, and on top of it is like the yeast that is not natural. That's what she don't like. So she makes sourdough breads.
The first couple of times I just measure the time because I don't exactly know the temperature of this oven. Got some kind of good timing going now, so lovely way to use efficient fire. It takes very little wood.
Something nice is cooking. So we are making fire here. This lady made a fire!
After 7 hours and 3 days.
So these are the stairs that we made. Here is little easy, so we just made the little bumps. So this is the house where we living at Lukas. From here you come to this place and just you have all जितने भी यहाँ पे खेत हैं वो सारे सीढ़ीदार है. तो एक सीढ़ी पे वो घर जहाँ हम रह रहे हैं, दूसरी सीढ़ी ये और तीसरी सीढ़ी पे यहाँ. तो ये हमने कल बनाई है. यहाँ से मैं गिरा था वहाँ तक कल बारिश के चलते. And this is the Lukas house that he built at his own. These are the stairs. Some herbs collection happening. What is this?
Chives.
Chives. This is lettuce.
This is lettuce.
And what is this white?
This is bestowed flowers.
Okay.
This is dill, the feathery one.
Mm-hmm.
And this is another like a...
This is must be mint.
No, this is lemon balm. Try a piece.
Lemon?
Lemon balm.
Oh wow. Smells nice. What's up कपूत?
खाना कहाँ है?
सारी फाड़ दी तुमने छत.
खाना कहाँ है?
भाई सब्जी खत्म हो गई है. आ जाओ तुम अभी बना के खिलाते हैं. ताज़ा ताज़ा. टेंशन क्यों ले रहा है तू?
ज़्यादा कोई नहीं जाए. तो ढूंढ देना.
नहीं मैंने उसकी यार वो ख़राब हो रही थी. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? शिमला मिर्च. उसकी सब्ज़ी बनाई थी काफ़ी सारी, लेकिन 4 लोगों में ही लपट गई वो. The bread is ready, Shirley.
Yeah.
And this is the epic mango jam that Shirley made yesterday. Chocho, तेरे को नहीं मिला कुछ? This is the freshly what you baked, Shirley. This is.
Yeah.
This is bread.
This is sourdough bread. Yeah.
Sourdough bread. And what you have top it up with?
Sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds. This is called life, man. Freshly plucked vegetables, handmade bread, handmade butter, handmade jam, handmade charas, handmade house.
Happy people.
Charas? Charas कहाँ है? कहाँ है? Charas कहाँ है? Jojo? Charas कहाँ है? Oh, I'm not doing anything with you.
Jojo is focusing on the bread.
Yours? You need to find this. You freaking lazy sniffler dog. Now you see I'm eating the bread myself because I didn't find the charas.